Welcome to the future of surgical care at Inspira Health's new state-of-the-art medical center in Mullica Hill. Here, revolutionary innovations in minimally invasive and robotic surgery bring extraordinary benefits to joint replacement, sports injury, and vascular repair. Each of our 8 ultra-modern surgical suites features world-class design and technology, such as a sterile pass-through cabinet to seamlessly deliver supplies. In our pioneering hybrid OR suites, advanced real-time medical imaging gives the surgical team unprecedented flexibility to perform different procedures safely right in the same room. Our dynamic biplane and single-plane cath lab provide comprehensive surgical care for cardiac and vascular problems, protecting the hearts of those you love. Joint replacement surgery for hips and knees is transformed with 3D imaging and a robotic arm that delivers pinpoint accuracy. Equally awe-inspiring is our ability to perform single-site robotic surgery with less scarring. This quickly gets patients back to their lives. 32 private prep and recovery rooms provide patients with true comfort before and after a procedure. No matter what surgical procedure you or your family need, the best-in-class technology and innovations are right where they matter most, close to home at Inspira.